Hi, so we are working on word definitions today. If you have this worksheet in your packet, then you're on the right video. Otherwise, you can head over to the other video. So the first thing we're going to do with our word definitions is cut out the vocabulary words at the bottom, and then we're going to glue or tape them to the correct definition. You can do them together. Just make sure to pause the video if I'm going too fast. So our words this week are home, share, happiness, neighborhood. And so something that'll help you if you want to do this on your own is to have your vocabulary worksheet, the one with the big definitions and words on the front of your packet with you. So you can refer back to that. The first definition says, a group of houses or buildings that are together in an area. So which one is a group of houses or buildings that are together in an area? Home, share, happiness, or neighborhood? Group of houses. The answer is neighborhood. Neighborhood has multiple houses here. They can be apartment buildings, they could be homes, they could be businesses. A neighborhood can be large or small. The neighborhood that our school is in is Visitation Valley, that we're named after our neighborhood. The second definition says, to give some of what we have to others. To give some of what we have to others. Is it home, share, or happiness? The answer is share. Share is to give some of what we have to someone else. So if I have maybe some chocolate, maybe a bar of chocolate, and I see my friend, Miss Julia, over there who also wants some chocolate, I can give her some of my chocolate so that she has some and I have some. And I'm sharing what I have to someone else. Third one says, a place where one lives. So where is a place where one lives? A home or happiness? A place where one lives is a home. You can live in a single house. That could be your home. You could live upstairs or downstairs in a house. You could live in an apartment building with just a few units or an apartment building with many units. Homes can look very different to different people. The last definition says the state of being happy. And the state of being happy is happiness. If you're happy, you're showing happiness. You can share happiness too, to give your happiness to somebody else.